Are you ready to cut out a profitable career path for yourself? Do you want to work in a career with great pay and a great sense of pride? Do you want to work with advanced computers and robots to solve problems? Do you want to use your skill to do the same amount of work as dozens of workers? Well, then you're ready to go pro in a skilled profession like CNC machining. Provide for your future with a career that programs and operates computers that control machines capable of cutting, bending, forming, and polishing materials into finished parts and tools. Find out how at beprobeproudSC.org.